In this tutorial, we will explore the offset fields, address blocks, and multi-level data extraction. Let's pull patient data from an input sample a little bit more complex than we've seen in previous lessons. Each patient record consists of several single-line values like patient number, patient name, profession, and these values. It also contains multi-line address blocks and notes. There are several ways of setting up data extraction rules for formats like this. One approach is to begin with a multi-line template for these single-line fields. Set up tabular fields from the selected area and adjust field boundaries as needed. Now, to add 3 single-line fields for patient number, patient name, and profession, split the first field and extend its left edge to the beginning of the line. Then split the field twice more. Let's assign field names from the selected area. The input field names are assigned, and the names are passed on to the output fields. This section is not being picked up. The status bar shows the reason. This field extends too far to the left. Adjusting the left edge fixes the issue. The remaining data can be added as offset fields. Offset fields behave like tag-based fields, however, instead being linked to a textual tag, they are positioned relative to a tabular field. To add an offset field, you select a field values placeholder, click Add Offset Field in the menu, and choose a tabular field this offset field should be linked to. The same can be done for the remaining values. The employer's address is not being captured entirely. To fix this, simply adjust the field's right boundary. This address field can be parsed into address parts automatically. Select Add Address Block from the Fly menu for this field. 7 output fields containing address parts are created in the output dictionary. They are all connected to the same input field but carve out their respective parts of the address in the output. The detailed template setup is finished. Let's switch our attention to the information at the top of the file. This information belongs on a higher level than the detailed data already being extracted and applies to all the details below it. Data on levels higher than the details is extracted by top-level templates. Typically, there is one template per level, and fields on the same template should occur with the same frequency. Add a top-level template and create these 3 tag-based fields. A multi-line tabular setup can be used to pull the remaining fields. Drop the input fields into the output dictionary and preview the data extraction results. As you can see, the top-level information is populated down into the corresponding detailed records. The setup is complete, as is this tutorial. More topics will be covered in the following lessons.